it's Julie from ChillRx Cryotherapy. We are now offering a diagnostic tool to assist with our Chill Sculpt and Star Sculpt treatments. It's called Adicell, and what it does is it shows on your body where you have different kinds of fat or cellulite. The different types of cellulite are edema related cellulite, fibrous cellulite, or sclerotic, which is the densest, hardest to actually get rid of. In terms of abdominal fat, we have hard and soft fat. Hard fat being much harder to get rid of. So what we do is we use these thermographic papers. We apply it to our client, and what it does is through heat, it will actually give us a roadmap to identify what type of fat there is on the body and where we need to really focus. If you want to just focus in on the results here. So this dark area is hard fat. These lighter blue and yellow areas are softer fat. And this brown area is kind of a mixture of hard and soft fat. Now, if we were going to treat this client, we would make sure that we applied our Star Sculpt applicators directly on her hard fat, or if we were doing a manual chill sculpt, we would mark the area with a pencil, and then we would isolate and really target these areas to get rid of the hard fat first. So what is the difference between hard and soft fat? Hard fat is just harder to get rid of. So you will, if you are diagnosed with hard fat on your abdomen, you will be looking at a minimum of 5 to 6 either Star Sculpt or Chill Sculpt treatments to get rid of it. If you have softer fat, you might be able to get away with 3 or 4. In terms of cellulite, similarly, if you have sclerotic cellulite, you will need additional treatments in order to get rid of that sclerotic cellulite. The edema-related or fibrous cellulite is a little bit softer and easier to remove, but this is a great diagnostic tool for us to be able to, one, diagnose you with what type of fat we're working with, and then to create a customized protocol to make sure you get the results you're looking for.